Morning Year 4, it's Wednesday and I'm in my garden today and I'm in the garden hopefully before it rains, because this week it's forecast to rain quite a lot, as lots of you would have seen yesterday, which probably wasn't the best week for me to have set a gardening challenge. One thing though, it is really good for my lawn, looking nice and lush and green there, means I don't have to come out with a hose and water it. But I just wanted to show you a few things that are growing in my garden. Right at the back there, over my shoulder, I've got 3 raised beds there, and there's all sorts in there. There's potatoes, there's beans, carrots, beetroot. Nothing has come above the surface yet, but when it does, I might do another video to show you how that is progressing. Now there's a few other things that are growing in my garden. I'll show you those as well. Now, if you were in school on the last day we were in, you will have got some of these seeds here, and lots of you have already planted these. I've not yet planted mine, so I will do very shortly, but some of you may have already done so. I've also got down here a whole load of seeds that range from things like tomato seeds, I've got radishes, and I've got things like sweet corn as well, which I will be growing this week, hopefully, or maybe next. And one of your challenges this week was to, if you had a pack of seeds, that you should try and plant them and see over time how they grow. If you don't have a garden, or if it's like this week going to be very wet, then you might want to just design your own garden, your dream garden, whatever that might include. I imagine there's going to be swimming pools, I imagine there's going to be tennis courts, football pitches, goodness knows what, but I look forward to seeing them. It's always great to have lots of vegetable seeds and watch them grow, because once they've grown, produce fruit or vegetables, and then you can eat them, which is fantastic. But you might want to grow some flowers from seed as well, and I've got some sunflowers down here as well that I'm going to be planting over the next week, and we'll see how tall they are going to grow over the summer months. Okay, I'll leave you with me planting a courgette.